Hi, I'm Paul with Geomagic 3D, and today we're going to just take a little bit of time to talk about the Geomagic Touch devices along with their software Freeform. So there are quite a few different types of touch devices as well as the Freeform software, but we're going to just do a basic overview of how we here at Geomagic 3D incorporate this particular system with our 3D scanner applications. So when you use your 3D scanner, you can generate numerous types of meshes. And for a lot of those meshes, we want to either do inspections or turn them into a CAD object. However, there are many applications in which that a CAD object just isn't going to quite work. For instance, if we're dealing with a part that has very large number of organic surfaces, a lot of details and contours that are not very easily identified with a CAD object, that's where Freeform comes in. So in combination with the haptics device and Geomagic Freeform, we can simply come in, find our part, then begin to touch off on it and make changes as needed. So if we needed to modify our part, if so we wanted to adjust these edges slightly, we can come in and very delicately touch off of those, clean them up, or manipulate this whole entire part just by using this touch device. Now, one of the things that's hard to relate on video is the ability to feel this object. It's as if there's a wall here whenever I touch on the part, which is fantastic because this bridges the gap between software and tactile sculpting that allows us to actually come in and create this part as you would sculpt on a normal piece of clay. So not only are we limited to the basic sculpting tools that you usually have, but we can also do things such as manipulate this data in ways that you never could with standard sculpting procedures. And we can easily pull information up as well as completely modify the way that our clay looks. So this is a very powerful and very easy to use system that is completely rethinking the way that we come in and manipulate 3D objects. So thank you for taking a look at this basic video on Geomagic Freeform and the touch devices. We'll have some more videos that will cover this in more detail. But if you have any questions until then, feel free to contact us at 434-946-9125 or visit our website www.geomagic3d.com. Thank you and have a great day.